Yes. Good day, everyone. Uh, my name is Samuel. I work with Easyosa Technology, and I want to show you how you can install our inventory software. And this software does not work with internet, and it does not have your data stored up in any server. So your database is right inside of your system because this software works with the algorithm of your system. So all your database, your sales records and everything is right inside of your system. We do not have access to your system. It's an independent inventory software and it works 100% without internet. So let's get right into it. So if peradventure I send a demo across to you via email, so this is the best way you can actually get access to your to your software. How you can get the software from your email into your system, install it, and make use of it. So let's go. So you are going to go to your once we give you an information that the software has been sent to you via your email. You just get to your email. You are going to see the Google Drive link here inside of your email from us that you click. This is my email that you click on it. Then when you click on it, you're going to get it like this. Sometimes you might see this right here, this download sign. It could be left right here or it could be left. So you just look for this download sign and you install the software into your system because this is a file that help us, you know, you know, to send the file across to you via email. So you just have to install the download the software into your system. So this is it. As you can see, it's downloading. So after downloading, it's a very small file. After downloading, you can just go to your, oh, it has finished downloading, just 11 MB. Just go to your downloads, and this is it. This is it here. I've downloaded it before. That is why it's shown here. But let's just pick any of them from here. This is the file. You just copy the file. You can just go to any of your file, maybe your picture to extract that. So you just copy and paste the file in any of your, probably your picture, folder, and extract here. You just right click and tap extract here. So here is the file. So right now all you need to do is to just click on this, and this is the setup file for you to install into your system. Just double click on this. Then you can minimize every other thing. You see it installing. That this is our setup wizard to install. You just click next, and click next. So we wait for it to install. So right now it has finished installing. You just close and you double click on it. So right now you can see now we finish installing the file. So you can just go to don't have an account, register here. To register, you just go, you tap, you just give it any of your your username and password. But I'm using some 111. Let's copy this. I just want to use some 111 for everything so that we can be very fast about this. Then you go as admin. For admin, for your cashier, you go as cashier. Then you register. So you finish registering. So you just log in. Okay. So after logging in, you just tap your login. So this is our inventory software, and you can see these are dashboard, these are products, these are sales. Let me click on this where we have every other functionality. So I'm just showing you how we can install the software, the process of which we can install the software into our system. So the next video we are going to do, I'm going to do, is how you are going to make use of all these functionalities, how they work. So that will be the next video to teach you how you can make use of this inventory software. Thank you very much. You will. Thank you very much.